It's a secret weapon that will bring your skin from average, okay looking to a super glow to help you create beautiful, great skin. Doing one without the other, well, you just won't get the same results.
Welcome to Ask the Beauty Advisor, a podcast that answers your health and beauty questions. Hosted by health and beauty advisor, Deanna Lynn.
Thank you for joining me today for Ask the Beauty Advisor, the podcast where we talk about all things health and beauty. This is your host, Deanna. I'm a licensed esthetician and certified health coach. I have been practicing for over 30 years. And on today's show, I'll be sharing with you some tips on how you can clean your skin from the inside out. Today is a mini-sode. This show alternates between full episodes and what I like to call mini-sodes. I have missed getting episodes out to you for a couple of weeks now due to putting my back out. Oh, yes. It was the first time it's ever happened to me. And wow, it was so scary and so painful. Apparently, sitting at a desk or in front of your PC for long hours can cause back problems. And the way to avoid it is exercise. You can prevent it by getting up and moving around every once in a while. I'm obsessed with eating healthy and taking care of my skin, but I lack any motivation when it comes to exercise. It's something I really need to work on. Now, all of us probably know how great exercise is for our health. But did you know it's also so incredible for the health of your skin? Well, I guess by now, if you've been listening to my podcast for any length of time, you know I'm not keen on exercise. Yeah, I'm one of those people that really hates to exercise. I'm great at watching my weight. I'm great at eating healthy, but I lack the motivation to exercise. And exercise is one of the greatest ways to purge your body. It's a secret weapon that will bring your skin from average, okay looking to a super glow. By exercising, your skin will look healthier. You can give your skin extra color and freshness. It will increase your circulation. And that in turn nourishes your skin. By exercising and sweating, you release all the junk and toxins out of your pores. By exercising, believe it or not, you're stimulating your skin cells to renew themselves. It's really a gentle exfoliation. By exercising, getting that heart rate up, causing you to sweat, you're actually purging toxins from the skin. You're getting that blood up to the skin cells, which nourishes the skin. And that in turn kicks your skin cells into a natural exfoliation mode. And now I want you to think about this for a minute. Think about people that you know that exercise regularly. Don't they look healthier? Don't they bounce around and have more energy? They're more flexible. Exercise can do so much for a person's body, health, and skin. But did you know that exercise, regular exercise, can also heal blemishes and acne? That's right. By sweating all the toxins out of your pores, you can actually heal your acne. It's exactly what your blemishes, whiteheads, blackheads, and acne needs. Now, let's dig a little deeper. Let's dig into the science of what is actually happening. When you exercise, your body naturally begins to heat up. And in response to the increase in the body temperature, you'll begin to perspire and sweat. And the heat and sweating from the exercise will soften up the top layer of your skin, which in turn releases trapped sebum, dirt, and dead skin cells. Now, I want to point out here something that's very important, something that you really need to keep in mind. It's not the sweat itself that heals the skin. In fact, once the sweat hits the air, it starts to collect bacteria. So you want to get that sweat off your skin as soon as possible. It's not the sweat that heals the skin, it's the process. So right now, some of you may be thinking, well, what is the best exercise for clearing my acne, making my skin look radiant and beautiful? Well, first of all exercise has a positive effect on your skin. And here's why. Because it improves blood flow, it brings oxygen up to the skin cells, it stimulates your lymphatic system, supports good digestion, detoxifies your body, and stimulates waste elimination. Exercise is essential for overall good health, and you don't have to do a lot of exercise. Now, when it comes to clearing up your skin, in general, anything that gets your heart rate up and gets you sweating will be good for clearing your acne and cleaning out your skin. When you sweat and perspire, it's like cleaning your body from the inside out. And like I said before, sweat helps to break up and release pore clogging debris. Some of the best exercises for your skin can be any form of cardiovascular exercise, like running, aerobics, sprinting, dancing, playing team sports, bike riding, etc. However, any form of exercise will be good for your overall health, but only some forms are effective for clearing your skin. If you want to improve your skin, you need to get your heart rate up and sweat. Sweating and perspiring are the best ways to clean out your skin from the inside out. Now, a lot of people think that just by sitting in a sauna or steaming your face a couple of times a week, they think you can get the same benefits for your skin as you would if you were doing some cardiovascular exercise. And that's really not true. Steaming and sitting in a sauna is great for relaxing and detoxifying your body. And maybe for some people, it may have a positive effect on their skin. But if you're talking about clearing up acne and fast-tracking your results, exercise that gets your body moving and your heart rate up, that has you sweating, will absolutely be more effective for your skin. Now, I know I've talked a lot about how sweating helps to clear your skin up, but it's just not the sweating alone. Movement has a lot to do with having a positive effect on the health of your skin. There are other complex body systems that are being used and stimulated when exercising. And these are important. These systems include your lymphatic system, digestive system, the nutrients delivery system, and your circulatory system. All of these rely on the movement of your body for them to work and function more efficiently. The bottom line here is that sweating and moving work together to help you create beautiful, great skin. Doing one without the other, well, you just won't get the same results. All types of cardiovascular exercises are great for the skin. Excluding one from this list is swimming. I mean, swimming is a fantastic form of exercise, but unfortunately for those of you with acne, prolonged periods of time in water or chlorine pools can irritate and dry out your skin, which of course will make your acne much worse. Swimming on a regular basis isn't good for any type of skin, especially aging, dry skin. It will actually make your skin drier and duller looking. Now, if you swim regularly, I would suggest that you cut down to once or twice a week, or even go a couple of weeks without swimming and see how your skin looks. If your skin starts looking better, then you know swimming isn't great for your skin. Try to make it a goal to do some cardiovascular exercises at least a couple of times a week for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes per session. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to stop doing non-cardio exercises like training, resistance training, Pilates, yoga, etc. You can do non-cardio exercises on separate days or incorporate them into one exercise routine. Whatever you do, just make sure you're doing sweat-filled exercises at least 2 times a week, even if you just start walking. Walking is also a great way to get your cardiovascular circulation going. The key word, though, here is just to start doing something. So now let me give you a few skincare guidelines for when you're exercising. First of all, you want to make sure that your skin is completely clean. And that means no makeup, no medicated creams or lotions, and preferably no sunscreen on your face either. The makeup, the lotions, the creams, the sunscreens, etc. will only clog your pores up when you're exercising. Not only will it clog your pores, but it may also start to irritate your skin as well. Keep in mind, when you are exercising, your body is heating up and your skin becomes more sensitive than usual. If you're wearing a lot of makeup and products on your skin while exercising, they will cause irritation and inflammation, which can make your acne, if you have acne, worse. Also, right after you finish exercising, your skin is still in that sensitive state for at least 30 minutes post-workout. As your body is cooling down, you want to make sure that you don't use a harsh cleanser or put medication or lotions on your face immediately after a workout. You want to tie your hair back away from your face in a ponytail or a bun. If you're wearing a headband, sun visor, sunglasses, hat, or headphones while exercising, make sure you thoroughly wash them after every use. These accessories are known to harbor bacteria, which can make your acne worse. The less stuff you have touching your face, hair, or head, the better. When you're exercising and sweating, do your best to allow the sweat to drip off your face and evaporate on its own, as opposed to wiping it off with your hands or towel. I know this sounds weird to you, but every time you wipe the sweat across your skin with your hands or a towel, you're potentially pushing bacteria and debris back into your pores and irritating your skin more. Let your skin sweat it out by allowing it to push all the pore-clogging debris to the surface. After exercising, allow your body to cool down. Your skin is sensitive for the next 30 minutes post-workout. So it's best to only rinse your face with water as opposed to washing it with any type of cleanser. Try to wait at least 30 minutes after exercising before you put any type of skincare product or makeup on your skin. And now, if you're suffering from breakouts right along your hairline, this may be caused by either wearing a hat or your hair care products. It's very wise when you're exercising that you don't use any styling products. And besides, while you're working out, you're going to be sweating, right? So style your hair after your workouts. Always wear clean clothes when working out. It's preferable to use fragrance-free detergent to wash your workout clothes. Fragrance and harsh detergents can irritate your skin. If you have bumps or acne on your chest or back, well, it could be caused by your laundry detergent. Now, you can expect cardiovascular exercise to improve your overall complexion. You should notice within the first week of incorporating more exercise into your routine that your skin will become much softer, smoother, and you'll have a radiant, healthy glow. I promise you that. You'll look younger and healthier, and if that isn't motivation enough, you'll also have better health, more flexibility. So come on, let's get to it. If you have any questions, comments, or beauty tips for us, you can contact me, Deanna, at beautyradionetwork.com, tweet me at a beauty podcaster, or follow Ask the Beauty Advisor on Facebook. You can also join my monthly newsletter by clicking on the link in the show notes. With all that being said, have a great day. And don't forget to work out.
Ask the Beauty Advisor is a part of the Beauty Radio Network. If you have a podcast or need help in starting a podcast and would like to be a part of a free, supportive network, then learn more by contacting Deanna at beautyradionetwork.com.